Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Fellowes PrivaScreen privacy filter. Now, this is a filter. I wish I was on my computer screen, but I don't have this computer monitor anymore. But I have the film that I used to use on it. But I'm going to tell you about what I thought of this filter. This filter basically is for privacy. You use this on your computer monitor, and when you look directly through it, you can see just clearly, no problem. But for people who are, say, walking by, or they are on the side of you or whatever, they will view it from the side and they will get a darkened version of the screen. You see how it goes black when you're on the side? It's for privacy. And this way, you see how the screen goes black? Yeah, so for people who are walking off to the side or coming up on the side or even standing to the side of you while you're on your monitor, they can't really see what's going on directly in the front. This is very good, and it gives like a nice little shaded tint to your screen, so there's not a whole lot of glare or it's not too bright. These are very, very good. I used it on a monitor that I ended up getting rid of because it broke, but I still had two of these sheets still available to use, but I don't have the monitor size anymore. But I did for about maybe 2.5 years, and I really like this. I mean, not that I really needed to. I wasn't really doing anything on the computer that was that important to keep private, but it's just nice to know that whatever you're doing is always, just your business, and this ensures that. Now, it's not going to help you at all if a person just walks up behind you, because they're going to see what you see. It's just how it is. So this hopefully will give you some form of security, and it does, to from whatever people that are, just coming up on the sides, at an angle. So, yeah, these have been around for a while, and I got this tent with this filter a few years ago, and I got turned on to them by a workmate of mine that I just noticed that when I walked into his cubicle, his computer looked like it was off. And I was like, what are you looking at? I mean, the screen is just black. Because I was looking from the side. And he was like, no. I have this filter on for just that purpose, so people can't really see. And then I turned around, turned in the back of his chair, and I looked what he was doing, and I was like, oh wow, that is really cool. I like that a lot. It really, really goes completely black. See, it goes really black all the way when you're like at the correct angle, So you really are protected. You really are kind of hiding your screen from any onlookers that you don't want, looking at your stuff. It's really a cool way. Not really sure how it works like that, but it does, and it's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, another thing about this, they have several different sizes. This is for a very wide screen. Yeah, I mean, like one of the widest you can pretty much